Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to start a process of creating and selling an online product using our course platform. Now, in order to start this process, you're going to need to have a place for your customer to go to in order to get your content. That means that you want to have a domain name set up with your platform. So you want to go to the Sites tab. Now, this may be different by the time that you see this video. You're going to notice that there is a gear here, and we're going to click on this gear. And what you're going to notice is that there are some domains that have already been set up. Now, when you set up these domain names, you are setting them up for various purposes. You can use one domain to send your customers to get their product. And if that customer is part of a community with you, the customer will be able to log in at that domain in order to get access to that and anything else you're giving them access to. So when we click the Go Back button and we come back to the funnel area, again, you're going to see an area here that says Client Portal. And this Client Portal is the area that we can set up along with the domain that we just set up in order for your customer to get access to everything that they have in their relationship with you. And so that is the advantage of setting up a domain here in this area in the sites area. Now, depending on how you set up your courses and what you're selling, if you go to the memberships area and you go to the products area, what you'll see here in the product area is that there are settings and that you can set up custom domains with that setting. And if I click on that element, it's going to be a different domain than the one that I set up for my client portal. And in fact, if you go to that settings area and you click on the site details, what you're going to notice is that the platform will tell you that there's a new way to provide courses, and that's going to be in the client portal. This is going to be the old way of doing things. What you want to do is you want to set up your domain in the sites area, and you want to set it up through the client portal. So to close, the first step that you need to take so that your customer will have a place to go in order to get everything that they have access to in their relationship is going to be to set up a domain. And that means that if you don't have a domain set up with the platform, you're going to want to go to this add button. When you click that button, that is the place where you can connect your domain or your subdomain. And there is an automated process that you can go through. So if your domain name is at a fairly well-known or recognized registrar, the platform will connect with that registrar and set you up automatically. If that's not the case, there is a manual process that you can go through by clicking on this link, but you'll need to go ahead and write in the domain that you're going to be setting up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.